today we're making a Swiss Meringue Buttercream. Wow, so delicious, so creamy, so smooth. Though this is what we're going to be making. So for our Swiss Meringue Buttercream, we are having 5 medium eggs. We have our butter, and the butter is already in room temperature. And we have our sugar, our regular sugar. We have a pot with water on the fire. We want to bring it to a boil, and we are having our bowl that we're going to be separating the egg into. So let's get into it. So we're going to be separating our egg. See the way I don't need the yolk at all in. So I'm done separating. Sorry, I didn't say my butter. My butter is unsalted, so I'm going to be adding a pinch of salt and my vanilla. So I'm going to be adding 1.5 spoon of granulated sugar, 1.5 spoon of my granulated sugar. Then half of it. Okay, I'm setting this aside. So we can see it. Now I'm going to grab a whisk and I'm going to whisk it. You whisk it and you see the texture is a little sandy. So I'm going to be putting it on top of my water. Meanwhile, my water should not it shouldn't be sitting on the water. It should just be a double boiling. So this is what we're going to be doing, and we're going to be whisking it gradually. Not just whisk, just whisk it and so that it will not be glue to the edge of the pan. So this is what we'll be doing, and I have a thermometer. You need a thermometer, or you can do without it and use your hand to see how it is. It's going to take a while, but your egg will be cooked through. We need all the butter to melt out, all the sugar to melt. So I'm going to just touch it a little and see it's silky Your water must not touch your bowl. Be careful. So you keep mixing until all your sugar gets melted in. So when you look at it, you see that it's becoming waterish. So this is what we are looking for. We don't want it to cook in. So I'm going to be using my thermometer to check in. I'm looking for 160, and okay, now I'm already in 100. So I still have some to go more. We're looking for 160. You must not allow it to get dry at the edge. If it's not that, you will just have a crumbled eggs. So we don't want a crumbled egg. Don't put your thermometer close to the edge of it. You put it inside. So now I'm in 150, just one more time. So this helps you to know that it's cooked in. Okay. I'm putting off my fire. I'm already in 160. So I'm whoosh, whoosh, taking it off. So yeah, this is what we're looking for. If you have a touch of it, it's silky. It's just like your marshmallow. So silky. Now I'm pouring it into my bowl. You see how bluish it looks like. So I'm going to be mixing it with this. I will start whisking slowly. So I'm going to be increasing the speed. So it has doubled the size, and you see it's really marshmallowish. You see how it is. So we're still going to continue mixing until it cools down completely, so that we will not have soup. So you continue mixing until it cools down completely. So it's still a little warm. So you can make anything you can do to get it cooled down completely. So until it cooled down completely, I will whisk and stop and whisk and stop. So I'll be cutting my butter. My butter is in room temperature. So if you just press your hand down, you see that it has hole. So your butter should be in room temperature. So I'm cutting it, and I'll be putting it in cube. Meanwhile, I have 250 grams of butter here. So let's you see it. I want to just show us something. You see when we carry it up, you see that it's just dropping. It's not yet gluing together. It's still dropping. So we're still going to whisk more. So we are ready. I'm going to change my mixing teeth. So I'm bringing this to the side and I'm adding this very one. This is what I'm using now to the dough, to the butter whisk. Now I'm going to be dropping my butter one at a time to this. You see how the size of it. So I'll be dropping it one after at a time. I'm not going to dump them all in. I'll reduce my mixing machine I'll reduce my mixer to the minimum and I'll mix. So keep adding our butter one at a time, like a tablespoon at a time, and keep mixing. Until you complete the whole process. All right. So now we are going to scrape the edges. You see how smooth, how fluffy it is. Look at it. So we're still going to add the rest. So we're done adding. Now we can scrape the edges and see our buttercream. We're going to just whisk on a very high speed just for a minute and we'll be adding our vanilla. So we're going to be adding our flavor. I'm using vanilla. So I'm going to be adding my vanilla in. So you can use any flavor of your choice. And I'm going to whisk. So that's it. We're done. So this is how you do your Swiss Meringue butter cream. Swiss Meringue butter cream is ready. Can we see it? It's ready. So it's when you do it, it's better to use it immediately, or you put it in your fridge and you remix whenever you need it again. Thank you for staying with us till now. Please do give us a thumbs up, share, subscribe, turn off your notification for more recipe. For more recipe, please turn off your notification bell. Thank you. God bless you. Please do help share and subscribe. Thank you. Bye.